And this is gonna be my first time to use dad pad. So this one, thank you so much, Daddy Michael. This is given by Daddy Michael. So look here, this is very useful if naka sa beach, ana, kay para makuan dili makakuan si Jody. And then let's get Jody. Hello, Jody. Then take off the protector. There. Here and welcome back to my channel. So yes guys, we're back again for another sit down vlog because today guys, we will be unboxing some packages here. So this one guys, so this is a Drybox and I will show you what's inside the box later and unsa ang mga kuan niya dali. And also this one, this is a landing pad guys, and by the way, this is sponsored by my Daddy Michael. Thank you so much, Dad, for sponsoring me with this stuff. He wanted to buy me a drone, but naunan siya ni Johnny. So, wala siya na, kung ano lang, iyan na lang kung ipalitan o ka ng mga protection for Johnny and for my camera. So, thank you so much, Dad. You're very supportive. I will also do a mini SHOPEE haul, swimwear haul. So I got this swimsuit from SHOPEE. So this is from Vida Swimwear. So I will show you later guys unsa ako magipamalit. So yes guys, if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start. I'll unbox first this small pouch here. This is a landing pad from Coast. What's the name? Where's my scissor? Oh my gosh! Where's my scissor? Hali, ang scissor. I don't know where's the scissor go. Ay, there! So, let's open this, guys. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Ako na siya disinfect. Kaya naraba ko gihatag si IPI na sa kagalo na. Nakuha alcohol. So, gipakaligo na siya nako. So, this one, guys, this is the Landing Pad Pro for drones. Ang ihang brand is this one. Landing pad for drones. Here. Coastliner.ph. So if you want to buy a landing pad for your drone, so please check out the description box. I will put the link of the store sa SHOPEE. So look at this guys. Muna siya. Na siya gamay na bag. So wow. Saan mo siya? Ah, okay. Activated carbon, do not eat. Nandiyan siya sticker from kuan for Gtech. Unsa ni siya? Gtech? I don't know how to pronounce this, guys. Anyways, so what is siya? Let's open this. Oh, na siya neon orange na. Unsa ni? What's this? Let's open this. So this is really helpful guys for drone owners para safety sa landing sa imong drone ba. But oy unsay tawag ani di ko kabaw unsa na siya. Basta ang main ra gyud ani no kay kani siya ang landing pad. Oh ho ho. And kon siya baga kay siya guys. Kani siya na siya double orange dire nya dire kay blue. And then, mapilo siya, inana siya. So, kita ko sa uban sa SHOPEE, nagtanaw-tanaw ko na i-circle na kanang foldable siya, gani niya. Kailangan pa man siya i-nail sa kanang, sa yuta. Barato na to siya, 200 ka pin, pero nung na si Daddy Michael na, get the best one, dear. So, muna siya, I bought this. Okay ba yan siya? And where's my drone? Where's Joni? Dako kayo siya, in fairness. Let's try if kuan ba siya. Look. Oh, diba? Nanay ko na landing pad si Droney. Oh my gosh! I will name this, since my drone I named my drone Joni because this is given by Johnny, my subscriber from New Zealand. And I already have a landing pad which is given by Daddy Michael. I will name this Dad Pad. How about that? Dad Pad or Shannon International Airport. Shannon International Landing Airport of Droney. Wow! Droney. So, ano siya guys? This is it. The landing pad stays in place even with strong winds and doesn't need to be nailed to the floor like most of the landing pads in the market. And then, drone landing pad is made of waterproof nylon material, lightweight, portable, color durability, and easy to unfold and fast fold. High precision printing and sun protection, fade proof and waterproof. Wow! Actually, dako siya guys. Look at my hand. Diba? Dako na kayo siya and ma-fold siya. I like this. Thank you so much, really, Dad. Thank you so much for this, Dad. So, another is, okay, ara sa ka-Joni, ha? Let's unbox this one. So, this is a Drybox for my camera kay kuan. Para dili maguba akong camera. Para mo suyop siya sa mga moist and everything. Wow! Thank you so much, Dad. If you are looking for a dry box for your cameras, your lenses, muna siya. Ooh! So, baho. So, muna siya ang box niya, guys. Kana siya, dry box. And let's open it. It smells bad. Oh! Wait lang. Why does it smell bad? So this one guys, muna siya ang dry box for my camera. Ang iyang brand kay Earmy. So muna siya ang gamiton guys para ibutang diri ninyo ang inyong kuan camera. Para dili mag-moist yung camera. And then na siya ikuan pakhapi na dehumidifier kani siya. And i-open na to ang dehumidifier. Gamit kayo na siya para sa mga camera. Ibutang ninyo diri sa box. Diri sa box kay para musuyop siya og kuan kanang moist. Kay kung dili magkuan kanang sa gitawag na oy basta oy. So man siya guys ang dehumidifier. This is the dehumidifier. I-open na to be. Ooh, na siya ko. Pa-charge din niya siya guys. So ano siya. So tanggalon nimo, i-ana nimo. I-charge na niya nimo. So may tabla din siya guys kay can you see this? It's pink, right? It's pink. So, dapat niya siya i-charge kay para kuan, magamit niya siya. And then, kani siya, basta ma-charge na niya siya, ibutang na niya siya diri. And then, muna siya ang magsuyop sa mga moist sa camera para maprotektahan yung mga lens. Inana. Wow! So, muna siya, guys. Anyways, after ako sa kong trip, after sa kong kuan ko ako mga camera and lens, kay ako na lang siya ibutang diri. O, diba? By the way, guys, ang price day ani kay, wait, let me check ha. I bought this from Lazada. It's 1,750. I bought this sa kanang kuan na store. Kanang Camera Commons PH. I will just put their store or link sa description box. And also this landing pad, it cost 1,198 pesos. So, I bought this sa SHOPEE. So, I will also put the link in the description box kay para makakuan mo. Anyway, so, mura to siya guys. And, gamit good kayo na siya good kay, especially sa akong mga vlogging gear, sa akong camera. So, pwede na ako after ako sa akong trip, ibutan ko dito kay para dili siya magpunggos akong kuan, ang akong lens, ang akong camera, ana. So, that's one way ka nang para makuan, mapangalagaan, charot. Para makuan, to take care your kuan, your cameras and gears. Anyway, so that's all. Again, thank you so much, Daddy Michael, for sponsoring me this stuff to protect my camera. And also this landing pad. Thank you so much, Dad. And by the way, guys, I bought this kuan kana mga swimmies I think dili na lang ako siguro i-try on. I will show you quickly na lang what I got. So this one, guys, look at this. It's really cute. Ako mga ipamalit karon kay mga one piece. So this one, and then na-siya kanang kuan kanang sabay churbalu. Ang price niya, it's 399 pesos only, guys. I bought it sa Shopee, sa Vida Swimwear PH. So I will also put the link in the description box. So money siya, guys. Nice, no? It's striped. Tapos na dire kanang iyang details na ay churbalu. Ana, cute do. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, next kay kato siya, red to siya. And then next one kay blue. I bought a blue one piece. This one. Oh, actually kay ipamalit ni siya nako kay para sa akong pre-diving kay na-realize na ako mas nice ang one piece kung mag pre-diving ka. So ang price sa dani ni guys is 349 pesos, and look at the back, it's very sexy, and na siya yung mga kuan diri. Ana, so saan lang gid ni ang mga flat, no? Bahala na lang gid na. Flat is the new hot. So kana siya, guys. I don't know if kanang mobagay ba na nako, pero lava na Anyway, so next kay kani siya, orange na swimsuit na one piece, and ang ihang back kay kana siya. Wait lang. Kani ana siya. Ang sizes din ako nagipamalit kay small. Ako size is small. So kana siya, guys. Yan na siya na siya padding dere. Orange. This will look nice underwater. Good. Ang price niya, guys, is 249 pesos. 249 pesos ra siya. Amazing, 'di ba? And then next is kani yellow, mustard. Mustard. Custard. Huh? Kani siya. Nice, no? It's just simple, pero nice siya. It's only 199 pesos. Diba? Cute, no? And wala lang siya, na siya padding, pero I think nipis. Anyways, that's the And then next is this one. I bought a pink swimsuit, one piece. Kani, cute yung pagka-pink. Kung ano siya, guys, that kani, marag same siya itong isa, pero kani siya, kay ang back niya, kay nani. Diba? So cute. Ang price niya, guys, is, how much ang yung price? 366 pesos. Diba? Mga barato ra siya. And padded gahapon siya. Ambot kaigo ba kanina ka? Feel ako, dako ra nina ako. I don't know. Tanaw lang nato niya, guys. Hibaon na gina siya. And then also, nag-buy sad ko og black. So, kani siya is 349 pesos. Kani siya, black. Ano siya, diba? Ka-cute! Cute kaayo. Tanaw ang back, guys. Wow! Diba? Cute kaayo. I'm so excited. Dagan nga kayo swimmies. Anyway, so mara to siya, guys. Kani, I'm so excited to try this sa akong mga next nako na mga laag and mga bitchin. Dili asin, bitchin. Anyways, guys, so that's all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, guys, please follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. So that's all, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!